What's up, YouTube? As you can tell from the title, it's officially day 7 of the journey from 100 to 100k. As well, I believe this to be the last week of me doing demo trading. The reason why I was showing you guys this in the beginning of my journey was to show you how I'm preparing myself and warming up to then enter to the live markets. As you can tell from the video above, you can't hear the audio, and which is the reason why I'm doing this overlay. When I was recording in the morning, for some reason I didn't notice until later on that it was only recording myself as it's showing on the screen right now. As well, once I figured out the problem and I changed it to where you can see the market, I then found out that the mic wasn't working as well. So just to save you the time, I'm gonna go ahead and skip past to where I'm actually talking and you can hear me. Hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Today has been one weird ass day. First, I saw that the camera was the only thing fucking showing, and then secondly, I noticed the mic isn't fucking working. But I'm not gonna let it phase me. I had a first trade, went ahead, I lost $6. It was tragic. But I ended up seeing it up again, and I wanted to get in for a re-entry. I was looking how, okay, maybe I was too aggressive with my stop loss. Maybe I should have waited just a little bit more for it to have an actual structured rejection. Now at this level, we've seen it rejected massively after it touched again, but it's still above this area. What I'm looking for is for it to then break under these lows. I need it to break these lows that are here fully. I need a full body candle close under those wicks for me to even think of moving my stop loss. As well, I only lost $7, so I was looking at it as like, technically I didn't even take a trade, if we're being honest. $7, that's basically like a fee at this point. So I was looking at it like, okay. As well, I don't know if it's showing the recording, but I was waiting for it to show rejecting to show like, okay, it's actually gonna respect this level, which I ended up doing. But yeah, and I would have gotten it higher, but I had the stop loss set somewhere, and I wasn't really trying to move it. I was trying to leave it exactly where I had it prior. If not, I probably would have had the entry a little bit higher. I probably would have had it like up, like basically almost where I had it beforehand. So it wasn't revenge trading, wasn't none of that. It wasn't out of me being upset. It was simply, I looked at it, I was being honest with myself. Okay, maybe I made the mistake of moving my stop loss a little too early. Let me re-enter because it gave me the opportunity to, and it's showing that it rejected. Even if it gave me the entry a little bit lower, it's still kind of close to where I had it. I literally had entry like basically like right here, and it's only a couple pips lower. And I've been fucked over by the spread before, so this is basically just me getting a fair re-entry, and boom. Right now it seems like it's working in my favor. I was acting rational. I didn't like overstimulate myself with anything. So I'm happy. If I take the trade, I'm gonna take it as that's it for today. As well, that will be the first trade I get ever out of the 6 episodes that I have prior to today. So that would feel nice. What I need is for it to close under this wick, and I will put stop loss at this level. And if it comes up and it fucking takes me out, then so be it. Whatever, that's it for today. I'm gonna use a minor portion of my strategy as a way for me to use it as for a continuation to go to take profit. That's how I'm gonna use it. So again, if it uses a fair value gap, rejects and everything, then I can most certainly put stop loss above here, and if it comes back, it takes me out, it's most likely gonna continue going higher. Seems like it's moving pretty well, and there's a chance of it hitting my take profit. Looking to see if there's any like actual structure being shown to the fact like, yeah, it's gonna hit here. The only thing I can see is that liquidity. I feel like this liquidity got hit already, but then these liquidities formed here, because I can tell, because I shown it on the previous recording, but as we all know, you guys couldn't see it. See how it goes higher and higher every time? It has yet to touch them. That's why I have my take profit at this level, because I feel like this one's already swept this one, but these haven't been swept yet. Again with a large ass candle, but no need to fear trading views here. So I'm doing this as a little journey for y'all to see that it is possible. I don't like school at all. I hate school. I see it as a waste of time, especially since I have my head set on where I want to be at. And I'm gonna stop with the motivational shit because it seems like the market doesn't like that shit. So I'm gonna just let it be. Right. Major push to the upside to the area of interest. Hammerhead candle, bearish engulfing candle, and a retracement candle. If it retraces to 75 to 100% of the candle and then rejects and closes below it, that is an amazing look. And I'm hoping that it does so to then push to the downside. If it doesn't, that's a fucking bummer. And it seems like we're taking another loss on this journey. Man, hey man, I'm not gonna let it ruin my mood. taken a lot of setbacks recently, but I'm not gonna let it phase me. I'm gonna continue staying in control of myself and just let it be. Took another L. It's just how life is, man. I just gotta keep pushing, and eventually I'll break through. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Apologies again for not noticing the mistakes that I made in the morning. But beside all the setbacks that we had in the morning, I hope you guys still enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments down below with tips or advice. And while you're at it, watch this.